the name of Allah, the most beneficent and merciful. We are doing Unit 2, does he remember? And here is too much important exercise about use of punctuation in grammar that student also learn about punctuation to speak in a proper way. Punctuation marks are very important in English grammar. Here is practice. Without looking at the story, comma, copy the passage below, comma, but put in the correct punctuation marks. This is the question. As you do so, stop. When you have finished, comma, read what you have written to see if it all makes good sense. Now we will see asked Mike. Mike ने पूछा, Can you be sure? क्या आपको यकीन है? First of all, it is an interrogative sentence. We will put a question mark. And it was asked by Mike, so it will be in commas. This is punctuation marks, that there are commas and question mark, because it was being asked by Mike. Asked Nabil. Now Nabil is speaking. Sure of what? किस चीज़ का यकीन? Again interrogative sentence, there is question mark and commas at the beginning of the sentence and at the end. That he is asleep. Again question. You can hear him snoring, comma. Can't you? क्या तुम नहीं कर सकते? That he is asleep. Question mark. और इसी सवाल को यहाँ से यहाँ तक इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स में लिखा जाएगा. आंसर देखिएगा जो कि सरगोशी में दिया गया है. विस्पर्ड माइक, जो कि माइक ने सरगोशी की है. नो, कॉमा, नो. एक्सक्लेमेटरी, न, नो. नहीं नहीं, ना ना जी जनाब. Again punctuation marks will be observed. Here is inverted commas beginning. It is not still end. It will be end here. Whispered Mike. The sentence is completed, so there is stop. Again, there is punctuation marks started. Are you sure that he does not remember me? Question mark, interrogative sentence and commas closed. If pupils have done this by looking at the passage, comma, you can easily set another task similar to this one. Stop. अगर हम इस तरह की मिसाल को देख लें कि पंक्चुएशन के लिए, सवालिया के लिए इंट्रोगेटिव मार्क है. कोई बंदा बात कर रहा है तो उसकी रिपोर्टेड स्पीच और रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच के बारे में है कि हमने रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच जो है वो हमने कोमास के अंदर क्लोज कर दिया हुआ है. जो लफ्ज़ एक शख्स अपने मुंह से अदा कर रहा है वो कोमास में है. अगर वो खुशी या गम का इजहार कर रहा है या हैरानगी को शो कर रहा है, then there is exclamatory mark and commas beginning and commas closed are there. Stop also come in punctuation mark. In English learning, reading, their use is very important. जैसे ही कोई स्टॉप आ जाता है हम थोड़ा सा ठहर जाते हैं. जब कोई सवालिया निशान आ जाता है we show that something is going to be asked. और जब exclamatory sign आ जाता है it indicates that there is some sorrow, some happiness, some expression of feeling. So punctuation marks are very important in English grammar. Now make list of verbs and adverbs. Verb, action word. Adverb जो कि उसमें इजाफा करता है verb में. In the following passage. The passage is given on your book and these are the answers. हम verb देते हैं जो कि action word होते हैं. Come, came, come. Gaze, gazed, gazed. Find, found, found. Write, wrote, written. Pull, pulled, pulled, pulls या pull in. Will, would, would. Be, was, been. Try, tried, tried या trying gerund में. To pull after to first form of the verb is used. Can, could. move, moved, moving. This is the first form of the verb. So all these are verbs that are being used in the lesson. Adverbs जो के वर्ब के मीनिंग में एडिशन करता है, इजाफा करता है. Wonderingly, round, beautifully, out, hard, out. These are verbs and adverbs. Best of luck. Have a nice day, students.